How to remove account warning on Facebook. First, open Facebook. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner. You'll be able to access the menu. Tap on the option Help and Support. Tap on the option Support. Access the support interface. Tap on this option Review your profile status. Now you can see your profile status over here. If you have gone against the standards, you'll be able to see the warning. Under that warning, you can find the option for Fix It. Right now, I do not have such warning, but tap on the option Fix It. If eligible, you'll be able to find the option for Remove Warning. Tap on it. Read terms and policies of Facebook, follow through the prompts, and the warning will be removed. Make sure not to violate any standards next time. Like this, you'll be able to remove the account warning from Facebook. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.